Have you noticed your legs feeling weaker lately? Maybe standing up from a chair or climbing stairs feels harder than before. You're not alone.
As we age, our leg muscles naturally shrink, a process called sarcopenia. It can begin quietly in your 40s and speed up after.
Let's start rebuilding your leg strength with one of the best exercises you can do right at home, the sit to stand. Next, try heel raises. Stand behind a sturdy chair, hold it lightly, and lift your heels off the floor until you're on your toes. Your legs stay strong when you move often and care for them every day. Stand up and walk a little every half hour to keep your... Let's bring it all together. Start each morning by stretching your legs before you get out of bed. After breakfast, do your sit to stand and heel raises.
Remember, your legs are the foundation of your independence. Every small step, every bit of movement.
This boosts blood flow, strengthens your calves, and keeps your circulation healthy, especially important if you often have cold feet or leg cramps. Now, let's get your blood flowing with a simple move tough, marching in place. Stand tall, lift one knee at a time, and...
The third move is marching in place. Stand tall, lift one knee at a time like you're gently marching.
Without's great for coordination, hip strength, and posture and it only takes a minute. Do these...
But movement is only half the story. Let's talk about food, your body's natural repair system for strong muscles. And
start with protein, eggs, fish, beans, and yogurt. Your muscles need small, steady doses of protein throughout the day.
Add omega-3 foods like salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts. They ease joint pain, reduce inflammation, and keep...
These vibrant foods are packed with antioxidants, crucial for repairing muscle tissue after exercise and ensuring healthy circulation throughout your body.
And don't forget water. Staying hydrated keeps your joints flexible, your muscles strong.
Now, balance. Strong legs mean little if you can't stay steady. Try standing on one leg while holding a chance. Or try the heel-to-toe walk. Step forward slowly, placing your heel directly in front of your toes as if walking. Next, rest and recovery. Sleep is when your body repairs and strengthens muscles. Aim for 7 to 8 hours each. During the day, avoid sitting too long. Stand, stretch, or take a short walk every 30 minutes. These small... Stay active in ways you enjoy. Gardening, dancing, or walking with friends.
Remember, your legs don't get weaker with age. They get weaker with neglect. Move daily, and your strength will...
If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more simple, science-backed wellness tips for people over 60.